Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix an order that was canceled automatically in Amazon. This can be frustrating when you're expecting a delivery, but once we identify the reason for the cancellation, whether it's a payment issue, address problem, or stock unavailability, we can quickly resolve it and get your order back on track. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Amazon homepage where we can start tracking down what went wrong with your order. Next, hover your mouse over Account and Lists in the top right menu bar. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Orders. This will take you to a page displaying all your recent purchases and their current status. Now, although I don't have any orders right now, I'll walk you through the next steps. Once you're on the orders page, search for the specific order that was canceled automatically. You can scroll through your order history or use the search filters to narrow it down. When you find it, click on the order to view more details. After opening the order, look for the cancellation details section. This is where Amazon will explain exactly why your order was canceled. Common reasons include payment failure, an issue with your shipping address, or the item being out of stock. Understanding the root cause is essential because it tells us exactly what needs to be fixed before you can successfully reorder. If the cancellation was due to a payment failure, head over to Your Payments or Payment Methods in your account settings. Here, you'll need to update the card that failed, was blocked, or has been replaced. Make sure the new payment information is accurate and up to date. This step ensures that when you place your order again, the transaction will go through smoothly without any hiccups. If the issue was related to your shipping address, navigate to Your Addresses in your account settings. Carefully review your shipping address to confirm it's complete and correct. Sometimes a missing apartment number or an outdated zip code can cause orders to be canceled, so double-check every detail before moving forward. Once you've corrected either your payment method or shipping address, return to the canceled items page. You should see an option that says Buy Again. Click on this to add the item back to your cart. Alternatively, you can manually search for the product and add it to your cart again. Either way, make sure you're using the corrected payment method when you proceed to checkout. When you're ready, select the updated payment method and click Place Your Order. This will finalize your purchase with the corrected information, and your order should process without any issues this time around. You'll receive a confirmation email once everything goes through successfully. However, if the item was canceled because it's sold out, the solution is a bit different. In this case, check the product page later to see if the item is back in stock. You can also enable notifications or add the item to your wish list so you're alerted when it becomes available again. Once it's restocked, you can reorder it using the steps we just went through. And that's it. You've identified the reason for the cancellation and taken the necessary steps to fix it, whether that meant updating your payment method, correcting your address, or waiting for the item to be restocked. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.